Guangzhou GHT Wire and Cable Company Limited was founded in 2007, Guangdong Province. GHT, integrated with research and development, manufacture and trade, is a modern professional enterprise. We mainly produce communication cables, Cat7, Cat6, Cat5e cables, and patch cords, etc. After several years of cultivation, our company has gained the outstanding achievement at the production scale, technological innovation, and business development. Our products enjoy good reputation among the domestic market and overseas. All of this cannot be separated from our diligent and intelligent staffs and our cooperation partner, for the sake of improve our qualification and level, as well as to satisfy the customers and world market requirements. We possessed most of the relevant authority certifications, such as SGS, UL, ETL, CE, ISO 9001, and so on, and also have the world advanced level of extruder series, large cable equipment, and a full set of testing equipment. Our company, adhering to the innovation concept, pursuit excellence, rapidly improved, sustainable management business philosophy, and with quality is the first job, client satisfaction is our honor as our eternal quality policy. To care for the environment, return society, caring staff, etc. is our responsibility. Integrity, responsibility, innovation, teamwork, as each GHT people relentless pursuit and target. GHT hope to cooperate with all friends go forward together to create a brilliant future.